everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. So today I have got a bit of a sponsored video for you guys. You're always asking me about my skincare routine and about what skin products I use. And I wanted to talk to you today about the Luna Mini 3 by FOREO, which is this right here. It is a personalised facial cleansing brush, if you guys have never heard of them before. And basically it is a super gentle cleansing brush that uses T-sonic pulsations with these really soft touch points. I'm just going to come closer to show you. You can see here these really soft touch points on this side and this side. And basically the T-sonic pulsations and the soft gentle touch points work together to effectively remove dirt, oils and sweat from your face, leaving you with glowing skin. And honestly, I love using this product within my daily cleansing routine, which is why today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine later on in this video, so do keep watching. This Luna Mini 3 by FOREO is perfect for the gym. If you've got quite an active lifestyle, it is such a cute little size. It's compact, it's lightweight, it fits in your bag. It's really good for on the go and traveling. Like, I travel quite a lot, so this is something that I can take with me. I've been using it now for probably 4 weeks and I'm loving it. Like, I use it every day, and yeah, I've definitely noticed a difference in my skin since using it. So it's super hygienic, this cleansing brush, because it's made of this non-porous silicone. It basically means it dries really quickly and less bacteria can build up on it. So it means that for a cleansing brush, it is a great one to have in your skincare bag. Now, what I love about this particular model is the fact that it comes with an app, which I'm going to show you guys how to use in a second. And basically, this actually has 12 different intensity settings that you can pick and choose from according to basically how intense you want the T-sonic pulsations. Now, there are 8,000 T-sonic pulsations every minute, which is mental. Like, think about what that is doing to your skin, like, and how much it is getting right into your pores and just getting rid of all the dirt and bacteria that is built up on it during the day. So the app, so you can download the app via the App Store, and it is here on my phone. So I'm going to click on it and open it up. Now you can register your device on there, which is great. So I've actually already registered mine. You can add a device at the bottom there, but mine's already loaded, as you can see, the Luna Mini 3, and it connects via Bluetooth. So let me just show you. There's 2 different settings on here that you can use. They've got the normal cleansing setting, which is 60 seconds, and you can alter the intensity of the cleansing brush. Or you can use their brand new setting, which is the Glow Boost mode, and it is a 30-second quick cleanse. If you've not got much time, maybe you're at the gym, you're on the go, basically leaves your skin feeling super soft and looking glowing. So let's start. So this little button here at the bottom, if you guys can see, that one right there, if we press that, it says, oh, there we go, it's already connected to my device. The blue light has lit up. This is the Glow Boost mode, and you basically press start and this starts pulsating, ready for you to get glowing skin. So we can stop that on the app like that, and then if we go back, we can, ooh, it's just loading. We can press start and it's already connected, and this takes us to the cleansing mode. So I'm just going to come in a little bit closer there. So you can see this little bar here, where it's on number 8 at the moment, that is the intensity level. And you can basically alter that to whichever setting you want. So I actually like to have it around 8, because it's like, well, you can basically try it out yourself. The lower setting is super low, so it just pulsates like very gently. But I like to kind of get a little bit more out of my Luna Mini 3 by FOREO, and yeah, I like to just go a little bit more intense. I feel like for me it's getting right in and proper cleansing my face, because I do wear a lot of makeup. So 60 seconds, and then you just press start, and And again, it starts pulsating and it automatically stops on the 60 seconds, which is so handy. But you can also stop it on the app. Another great thing about this app as well is if you see in the top corner there, you've got the battery. So it shows you how much charge you've got left. Now you get about actually up to 400 uses of your Luna Mini 3 before it runs out of charge, which is amazing. And that's just by charging it up once. So yeah, so good. And another thing about this app is if you lose your Luna Mini 3, you can find it again. So if you've misplaced it in the bathroom or in your house, you literally press this button here. It finds it, it starts pulsating, and you will be able to hear it and find it. So good. And then you can just literally press found it. Such a good little app. I love the fact that this Luna Mini 3 comes with an app. It's just technology, isn't it? It's just handy. Like I've always got my phone on me. Sometimes I actually cleanse at night if I'm having a bath and, you know, I might be watching something on my phone, and then I can quickly just get off that, get my Luna Mini 3, have a bit of a cleanse, use the app. Like, it's just really handy. But if you don't want to use the app, because you don't have to use it all the time, you can press it once for the cleansing mode and twice for the glow boost mode. And then also that is where you charge it as well. Yeah, and I just charge it off of my computer or laptop. Right, so that is probably enough of me talking to you about the Luna Mini 3 by FOREO. Let me go and show you my evening skincare routine. So let's head to the bathroom. So I'm in the bathroom now, and when I get ready for bed, I obviously take all of my makeup off. So let's remove my lashes to start with. And then when I take my makeup off, I love to use a face halo and the La Roche-Posay Ultra Micellar Water, which is this one right here. You can tell I like it because I'm nearly empty. So I just put some on my face halo, and then we remove the makeup. So that is my makeup removed. So I'm going to put aside my face halo now, and that is ready to go in the washing machine. And then I'm going to be grabbing my Purifying Foaming Gel by La Roche-Posay, and this is what I'm going to be cleansing with my Luna Mini 3. So I've got my app ready. I am going to connect my FOREO with the app, and I think I'm going to go for, yeah, I'm going to go for my 8 intensity, and I'm ready to start that in a sec. But first of all, I am going to dampen my Luna Mini 3, and I'm going to put on some of my cleansing gel onto it. So now I'm ready to cleanse. Before I press start on the app, I'm going to just dampen my face a little bit as well. And now I'm ready to go. Now, I absolutely love using this product within my nighttime routine, just because I feel like it just really cleans my skin. Like, when you see the colour of the water after I've done this, I'm like, whoa, that micellar water did not take off all of my makeup. And to be fair, when I've used cleansing products in the past, they're just not as good as this. Like, my skin doesn't feel as clean afterwards. So I use the front side of the Luna Mini 3, and then once I'm kind of done all over my face with that, I flip it and use the other side, because it's got larger soft touch points, and it's really, really good for getting into the pores in your T-zone. And then use the smaller brush side on my cheeks, jawline, and then yeah, just kind of just to finish off my face. And that is it. That's me cleansed. Now I'm going to show you the brush because it's pretty grim. But can you see how much dirt is on the brush? So it honestly does so well, like, at cleaning your skin. It's amazing, guys. Honestly, so impressed. Like, I genuinely thought I was removing all of my makeup beforehand, but I obviously wasn't. Until I've started using this Luna Mini 3, I'm realising, wow, I never properly cleaned my face before, which is kind of embarrassing. Now I'm just going to soak the water off and soak my Luna Mini 3 in my sink, and then it's ready to dry. So I just soak it off in the water, kind of just go over the little soft touch points a little bit, just so all of the cleansing product is off. And then I give it a bit of a shake, and I leave it on the side of my sink to dry, and it dries really, really quickly. And then I just make sure all the product is off of my face. I just dampen my face a little bit. Get rid of that water. Then I grab my towel. Just make sure it's all nice and dry. Oh, I just honestly love, I just love the way my skin feels after I've used that Luna Mini 3. Like, I can't even tell you guys how soft it is right now. Like, it's so soft. I feel like my skin looks glowing. It is honestly, like, you need to try it. You won't actually understand how soft my skin is unless you give it a go yourself. Like, just can't help touching my face. Right, finishing off my nighttime routine, I take the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It is super hydrating, and I just put a little bit of that on all over my face, and then I'm basically ready for bed. And that, guys, is my nighttime skincare routine. And sometimes I do it in the morning, but I mainly try and do it before I go to bed, just because I feel like, I just feel so much better just getting into bed, feeling like fresh-faced. I'm in my PJs, I've got like fresh bed sheets, and yeah, I love it. So yeah, guys, that is the Luna Mini 3 by FOREO. This is my key product within my skincare routine that I use. It's just been quite life-changing, really. Like, well, not life, I'd say skin-changing. Yeah, I honestly feel like it has changed my skin. Recently I've had a bit of a breakout, and you can see a couple of bits of scarring that I've got from some different spots I've had, and like, I've not had any kind of big under the skin boils for weeks now. Like, this has really, really helped. I love it. I love the way my skin feels afterwards. I love how my makeup sits on my face better, because I feel like my face is actually properly clean, whereas before, obviously, I wasn't cleaning that well, clearly, because honestly, like, I'm shocked at the amount of product that still comes off after I've taken my makeup off. Like, it's insane. So yeah, highly recommend this. Hope you enjoyed this little review video for you guys. Hopefully it was informative, and obviously you saw the product in action. I'll put a link below if you want to check it out. Highly, highly recommend. I love this one. I love the fact that it comes with an app. It's super handy and helpful, especially when you lose it. And yeah, so good for on the go, so good for traveling, so good for an everyday skincare routine and cleansing. And yeah, this is a big thumbs up from me. Really, really love this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you in another video very, very soon. Peace out.